Poem 29 A lark bird, soaring high. Are you never weary when you reach the empty sky? Are the clouds not dreary? Don't you sometimes long to be a silent goldfish in the sea? Goldfish, goldfish, diving deep. Are you never said, say, when you feel the cold waves creep? Are you really glad? Say, don't you sometimes long to sing and be a light bird on the wing? Lawrence Elma Tedmere.